In 2012, a mysterious image appeared on the internet. It was an invitation to a puzzle so complex, it seemed impossible. Known as Cicada 3301, the clues led players from the deep web to physical locations in the real world. The goal? To find highly intelligent individuals. But once the final winners were chosen, the organization vanished. Was it a CIA recruitment test or a secret global society? To this day, we still don't know the truth. If you love deep internet mysteries, subscribe to Lumira Fact, because the next puzzle might be for you.